Today we will learn about our brain and its parts. First, the brain. The brain lies within the skull or the cranium. It is covered by three membranous layers called meninges. Between the meninges, the brain is a fluid called cerebrospinal fluid (CSF). The cushions the brain against shocks. It also helps to distribute nutrient and other chemical to the neuron of the brain and collect waste from them. It provides the neuron some protection from infection. Layers of meninges. There are three layers of meninges: dura mater, arachnoid, pia mater. First is first there is bone, and then dura mater, and then arachnoid, and then pia mater. First we will study about the dura mater. The outermost layer is thick and tough. Spaces between the layer allow for the passage of the vein and arteries that supply blood to the brain. The arachnoid is a thin web-like layer of the connective tissue that does not contain nerves or blood vessels. The pia mater is a thin membrane that hugs the surface of the brain and follows its contours. The pia mater is rich with veins and arteries. What is the brain made of? Weighing about 3 pounds in average adults. The brain is about 60% fat. The remaining 40% is a combination of water, protein, carbohydrates and salts. The brain itself is not a muscle. It contains blood vessels and nerves, including neurons and glial cells. And then parts of brain. First, the forebrain. Cerebrum controls learning, speech, memory, emotion, reasoning, voluntary activities, response to pain and temperature and senses. And then hypothalamus control endocrine system and emotions. Then midbrain connects forebrain to hindbrain and spinal cord, controls eye adjustment. And then hindbrain, cerebellum, coordinates body movement, posture and balance, helps in learning new movement. And then pons relays information from the forebrain to cerebrum, helps control speech, breathing, swallowing, bladder function, hearing, taste, eye movement, facial expression, facial sensation, balance and posture. And then medulla oblongata, control involuntary actions,